Introducing the all-veranda Viking Star. When we set out to reinvent the ocean cruise, it meant reimagining the ship itself from inside out, then developing an elegant Scandinavian design to create a spacious, inviting home at sea. This is a ship of comfort and culture that will change the way you experience the world. Viking Star is designed for just 928 passengers, an intimate size that allows us to dock in prime locations closer to the heart of the destinations you want to explore. And using the latest in green technology, Viking Star will meet the strictest environmental regulations. Dining has also been reimagined, with menus that feature regional specialities made from locally sourced ingredients. There are multiple dining options, from relaxed and casual to our elegant dining room. And since the ultimate dining room is the great outdoors, Viking Star offers more alfresco dining experiences than any ship at sea. Don't miss the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to share.
The newest addition to the Oceania Cruises fleet of intimately luxurious ships. Sirena's elegantly designed interiors personify the O-Life experience. Sophisticated, intimate, classic. With just 684 guests, life aboard Sirena is both relaxed and rejuvenating, inviting you to discover your perfect cruise vacation. Each new day, it's your world, your way. Aboard Sirena, the world-renowned Oceania Cruises culinary program has been elevated yet again. Be among the first to experience Tuscan steak, a fresh take on the classic American steakhouse with a distinctly Italian twist. Savor the vibrant flavors of Southeast Asia and beyond at the stunningly beautiful Red Ginger, an Oceania Cruises guest favorite on board Marina and Riviera. The Grand Dining Room offers elegant service throughout the day, with a surprise transformation into an authentic French bistro at lunchtime. Jacques' Bistro is inspired by the family recipes of Master Chef Jacques Pepin, our executive culinary director. Whatever you choose, Oceania Cruises offers the finest cuisine at
The Seabourn Encore will be the fourth ship in the current Seabourn fleet, and we have no doubt is going to be an absolutely spectacular ship. We are very privileged to work with the preeminent designer, Adam Tahani.
We started talking about a luxury yacht. This is the look. The feeling is of spaciousness, a more sleek, bespoke finish.
The detail is spectacular.
Everything inside is like these beautiful curving woods and these gorgeous metal details, connections that look like made by a watchmaker.
Lines that are a little bit more curved.
Sails are creating sunshade. mahogany clad and glass stair. Very rarely you see all marble bathrooms on a ship. Somebody thought out all the details, so you don't have to think about anything.